Schubor nakaschlem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi ke Sohkha Jilla uba Lahkmen Rymbui hinin kesngi ula Plie ba ya ke building Bathymmai ne science block jong ka Sohkha Government High Secondary School kabalamang kerpang na kabentaki kena Puli Science ha ka ba ka jingtay kalakot siya ka shiklor hinyo Plie laktam ya katay ka jingya lang la pelong ha palaw ka school bala penyat da ka kong APCM District School Education Officer Haga jingya dan lang uba Lahkmen Rymbui u Dr. BDR Tiwari IAS Commissioner and Secretary Education Department Meghalaya kakong RM Korba IAS Director of School Education and Literacy u Principal uba R Sumer kinongelam shnong kinohikay bat ki khana puli kani school ban penjan bat pensok ki khana kumju ki khana puli ka shnong Sohkha bat ki we ki shnong ba marjan ka Sohkha jala kala penyo ya ka building Bathymmai Barkala buru ya ke Ambos Examination Center ha kani ke school loong uba Lahkmen. Loong kum u nomi khmat kathan ula persangkat bala. Bande ya ke bahatam na kabenta ki nong song sunong baru kentu banang peteng su ke jinge trailang nang ni syakman. Ula kentu ki kena banong ki baminat ha ki jing puli bat ki kena ki badan ke jingkerman namar ke jingkerman hi kalong uklur balam nanti ke jing em jongki.
What I want to mention, sir, that we are working hand in hand. We are looking for the problem of the school right from its establishment till today. We have to follow the footsteps what our village elders have taken. So we are the generation of today. We want that the school will get a good quality education for this generation and the coming generation. School today, this building, so the urgent need is to fulfill the furniture. Second, the science laboratory, the equipments which need for the science laboratory, so that the school can match with other school in the towns.
And this kind of infrastructure will really enrich their education, and moreover to connect with the smart classrooms and other new methodologies will also gradually will be evolved and adopted in the school. Like Snong Padang, Dauki, these are the internationally very known places. And people from very abroad also are now known about this area, this lush green environment, very exclusive natural beauty, proximity to the international border, and variety of the people's activities. Because nowadays tourists would like to come and interact with the people and want to be the part of their own natural environment in their own premises. The village stay and other expectations are high in demand and it is increasing. So hope the good school infrastructure itself will have better human resource and manpower to showcase this area for the tourism industry and as well as other economic activities.
Kibon kijinik kijna kiba hab banle bat hab pembia. Hamreng asnotna hagni san ligisnem. Ba Sohkha kala yele shtom kat bala pan pembiam jidon kam jom ki school Sohkha keleng ka state. Ri Sohkha mission ya in school like nyulat nang stang te bat kaning lade hapo nong talang jiladep bat kungju menne hapo umlat khur ngila sakhi ya ka jimbo manong rim makin slam no banshna ya ka school ka ba sausan floor nyo kundai la kundai hajar ka bat aji ka free of cost na unta ki baduk ki badyo ambition hang tu nado class 6 hado class 12 but hoy ngamla ban len ki principal ki wan ki principal ki le namarwa Hitip hi ngimla ban kham ngi kibriu ba kin shanghai ngimla ban kham ngi kibriu ba kin yo promotion na ngimla ban kham ngi kibriu ban late shakaway pat kakan ka duty jo sarkar kalong lakatar mas kutnat ka sarkar ka personal department bak island Ïing kham tan ni nahi ka ban thum shipor khnang ba ki khna school pinamdu ya ka jihika teki policy ban le keladon handre kadon constraint teng ka recruitment kaslep tangba yaki ne baro ngila la persyam baksok out ngi kemen Pakistan wan ngin la ban le khamba na benta ka jingbe jibian jom ki khna school kabakong san kalong kane ba ngila don kine ka sarkar kal invest kat ne hakan ka school hatu kan sule no ngiran kami kena school ki deban pulelha kena school deban pe kumno bakin te yala ka jigim la jom la shais ni ila te Sohkha kalon ka art stream kalon ka science stream kaladon ka vocational stream hamne nak benta ki kena school kadai tak ada ka sarkar kala pe nak benta ka jingbian jom ki nongsong snong ban ai jihikai ka bapura bat relatif nadu usneng banwan hapon nong telang college ru kabikom kan play na kabentaban suk ki kena school kai ka mention ba suchen kalong ba keberan kam na benta ki ba one school shene banyo iwasu andre how no stem nilai i bagi dan school boss amre tangi college kena ba one school shene kiaw kiulang kena bakin yo ya ka jingika hoi ni dan kam shibun kijing don kam andre kuma amanta udap katu bi katu dek barang kam dalam bagi ni trailan ngasnot nan ai kublai ya kada basnong de Sohkha mission bat kumjuru ya Sohkha development council kabana kawe ka posh we por kai le kumnom penbian ya jen kam jon ka school kabakung san kalong ba ngihap ban ye trailan na kabanta ban yo ya ki jen kam baro